in a storage. So data whatever is stored on the cloud storage, what can be the attacks and how can be protected, and basically the focus is on data integrity.
Go back to the front page. You can able to see the remote data integrity as transfer survey. So it's a survey paper. You should have a tabular form, all the papers you have surveyed. Go there. Where you are putting all the.
So basically, the integrity issue I am going to address, in which this kind of attacks can be there, and whatever data is kept in the cloud storage, there can be changed by either server or by the external entities. So how to check it? For that, I have done survey of. Then these are the traditional methods of the data integrity checking, but these will not be applicable in cloud environment, because while checking integrity, we need to take the data back, decrypt it, and then only it is possible, and so that anybody can see the contents. So how we can hide the contents and then do integrity checking? For that, the survey is. So that challenges the traditional system.
You should have put all the papers in a tabular form.
Yeah.
Why is that? Yes, sure. That.
I have taken only few papers. Those are important papers. So the first time Athensis have introduced this concept in 2008 about that whatever data is kept on the cloud storage without.
Talking is going on. Why you are talking here? Who is talking here? Please carry on. Sorry.
Earlier, the data, whatever is stored on the cloud storage, that every user and owner used to take it back, then decrypt it, and then calculate hash and was checking. And so first time Athensis they have introduced the concept of without getting back the data, how we can check integrity of the data, that is encrypted data only. And for that they have designed some, various authors have designed protocols. Specifically I have kept with the same author different work, how they have done progress in that, and I referred other papers also. But in that paper,
I don't know, the paper it should be at least 15-20 papers.
Yeah, it is there, sir, but I thought as per conditions put in the slides, I have kept only 10 here.
But you have used a lot of things on the previous slides. You should have put it here, the 15 papers. That you should have done it. You have already used a lot of 15 more slides you have used, which is meaningless.
Actually, that is contents from the previous that work only, but that without the references are written.
This is not good for you to show like this.
Okay.
Survey paper you should show maximum like this of survey.
I removed the contents from the table, sir, but I thought the introduction also should be there. Basically, the whatever the 2008 onwards work have done by the various authors, they have used various either sometimes symmetric cryptographic algorithms or asymmetric cryptographic algorithms, but basically homomorphism, that whatever data is encrypted, on the encrypted data some calculations are expected, and then only it is possible to check the data remotely without revealing the contents. Okay, so for that, whatever the survey have done, in that all the authors have either used any one of the methodology, and what are the limitations are there are written here, as sometimes it is not giving privacy, sometimes it is leaking the information, sometimes it is not giving dynamic data change integrity checking, sometimes it is only achieving static plus limited queries. So here the requirement is unbounded queries, as many number of users, as many times can access the data
explain.
Sorry for the delay.
No problem. Thank you.